How to use Live Control Room for live streaming on YouTube. Firstly, open any of your preferred web browser and go to studio.youtube.com. When you type in that, you will land to the YouTube Studio interface. Simply sign into your account and you will land to this interface. At the top right corner, click on Create and select Go Live. This is a new account, so you will need to verify everything. Click on Verify to unlock more features on YouTube. If it's already verified, you will see an interface like this. You will see two options. You can either set up live stream now or you can schedule for later. Just to show you guys, I'm gonna click on Get Set Up Now. Now for the webcam, you can either use the built-in webcam or you can use an encoder like OBS. To use OBS, it will provide you a stream key which you will need to enter on your OBS in order to stream smoothly. Now I'm just gonna use my built-in webcam. Make sure that you allow video permission and audio permission. Right now I'm using OBS to record my screen. That's why it cannot stream. But this is how you can use the control room on live stream. That's all for today. Thank you.